Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and gathering tools. First, check your phone OS and PC OS so you pick the right method. SCRCPY for Android, AirPlay for iPhone, or vendor software for some phones. Next, install the client on your PC and the companion app, or enable the built-in feature on the phone. Finally, enable USB debugging or screen mirroring and connect to the same Wi-Fi or use USB. Once done, you're ready to initiate the connection. Now you make the actual connection and configure settings. If you use USB, plug the cable, accept the computer's authorization on the phone, then launch SCRCPY or your vendor app. USB gives lower latency. If wireless, join the same network, enable casting or AirPlay, then pair using the shown code or QR and press connect. Once linked, adjust resolution, bitrate, orientation, and input control so touch and keyboard behave correctly. These tweaks balance quality against latency and CPU load. Finish by verifying functionality and applying final fixes. Test audio routing, touch input, and keyboard or mouse control. Make sure you grant mic and file permissions when required. If performance is poor, lower resolution or bitrate, switch to USB or close background apps to free CPU. If things go wrong, restart the phone app and PC client, reconnect the cable, check firewall or antivirus blocking, update drivers, and reboot devices. That single restart often resolves lingering handshake or driver issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.